Olivia with Friends of the Reedy River, and today I'm here to talk to you about live stakes and how they prevent erosion and stabilize stream banks. Erosion is a natural occurrence. As rivers erode, sediment is lost from the riverbank to the stream. Sediment is our #1 pollutant in the Reedy River. Too much sediment negatively impacts the health of aquatic life, takes away wildlife habitat, perpetuates the amount of bacteria in the water, and increases the cost of treating drinking water and generating power. When the river restoration here at McPherson Park was first completed, live stakes were used to help stabilize the stream bank and reestablish native vegetation. Live stakes are stem cuttings harvested from trees during their dormant phase, and they are capable of taking root with relative ease. The cuttings are usually 2 to 3 feet long and are hammered into the eroding stream bank at a 90-degree angle. Over time, the plants will grow into a mature shrub or tree. Live stakes are an easy and low-cost way to stabilize the stream bank, prevent erosion, and provide permanent vegetation. The newly established shrubs and trees along the stream bank provide a network of deep and strong roots that protect the stream bank from eroding.